If you use track changes in Microsoft Word, you may have noticed that the default colors are not always ideal, especially if you want clearer editing marks or you simply prefer a different visual style. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the color of track changes in Microsoft Word, step by step, so you can customize how insertions, deletions, and move text appear in your document. This is a quick but very useful Word tip for students, professionals, editors, and anyone working on documents with revisions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, shortcuts, and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document where you want to adjust track changes settings. Once your document is open, go up to the Review tab at the top of Word. The Review tab is where all of the proofreading, comments, and revision tools are located, so this is the right place to make changes to how edits are displayed. Inside the Review tab, look for the Tracking section. In that area, you'll see a small arrow in the corner of the group. This is called the Tracking Dialog Launcher. It might look tiny, but it opens the advanced tracking settings you need. Click that small arrow to open the full tracking options window. When the dialog box appears, look for Advanced Options and select it. This is where Microsoft Word lets you customize the appearance of tracked changes in more detail. In the Advanced Options menu, you can set specific colors for insertions, deletions, and move text. That means instead of using the default colors, you can choose a setup that works better for your workflow or is easier for you to read. For example, if you want insertions to stand out more, you can assign them a different color. If deletions are hard to notice, you can make those easier to identify as well. And if you're working on a shared document with lots of revisions, these color changes can make reviewing edits much faster and more organized. After you've chosen the colors you want for each type of revision, simply confirm the settings and close the dialog box. Word will now display track changes using your customized colors going forward. If the document already contains revisions, you may notice the display update right away depending on your view settings. And that's really all there is to it. You just went to the Review tab, opened the Tracking Dialog Launcher, selected Advanced Options, and changed the color settings for track changes in Microsoft Word. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how easy it is to review and edit documents. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.